Now I'm gonna try and be this like real connoisseur wine expert here. So what's it like? You first got to spin it around.
Spin?
I've seen it.
Smell?
See, I can't even spin it properly. Smell it. It smells like wine. That's a wrap, yo. We're here at Constantia. We tasted wine. We don't want ya, but we want you to subscribe to our channel. So come and join us for some more wine at Constantia. Yo.
We are Kelby and Adam, and welcome to our Life Through a Lens.
Okay, so we've now made it to our destination, and we are at Groot Constantia Wine Farm.
Yeah. We've arrived at Groot Constantia Wine Farm. It is the oldest working wine farm in South Africa. It was opened in 1685 and has been operating for more than 300 years. So we are so excited today. We are going to do a wine tasting and we can't wait to take you guys on this journey with us, and hopefully we don't get drunk. So we're just going to enjoy this beautiful weather. We're going to walk by the vineyards and just soak it up. Behind me is one of the amazing Groot Constantia vineyards, which is overlooking the Constantia village. And how amazing is this mountain range behind me? This is just making for the perfect wine tasting experience.
So now we're going to go to the tasting room, where we've chosen the option of just doing the wine tasting for today, which is 100 Rand each for five tastes of wine.
Of your choice.
Of your choice. So I'm not a big wine drinker, so if the filming gets a little funny later, it might be because I'm a bit tipsy, but hopefully that won't be the case. So let's go and do this wine tasting.
Okay, so we think we have finally found the tasting room. There's not many signs that actually direct you to which tasting room, so we've had to ask a lot of people, but we think we are finally here. So let's go and check this out. So we have just redeemed our tickets and our 7-year glasses, and we are about to do the wine tasting. We've got the wine list of what we can choose, 5 different wines.
So the rosé is not sweet, eh? It's a more fruity, dry roast style of rosé.
Okay, cool.
12% in alcohol.
Oh wow.
That's what I chose.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about you.
Clearly not a wine taster. I don't know what I'm doing.
Okay, so we are finished with wine tasting number 1, and now we are going on to number 2. Yeah.
Dessert wine has got a little bit of brandy in it. So it's up to 19% in alcohol, eh?
Oh wow.
19. So I'm not driving here.
No, Uber all the way.
And the Chardonnay is wooded. Spends 10 months in the oak. That's why I love my job. I get to smell wine.
But you can't taste it.
No, that's why they watch me.
It'd be the best job if you could taste it.
So this is the Cabernet. You can see the yellow goldish tint to it after the 10 months in the oak. 13.5%. Huh?
Awesome.
Okay, so now we're hitting our second little taster, and we decided to come outside and sit on the lovely lawn here. The wind's died down.
So nice, eh?
Nice. With a little sippy of what am I
Chardonnay.
having? I'm having Chardonnay.
And I'm having Cape Ruby, and it's very high alcohol content, both of these. I think that's because it's so high in alcohol, that's why they...
That's why they make sure that bugs fly into your mouth, so you've got something to eat to soak up the booze.
Oh no, it's in my drink. Oh sis, can you take it out? Oh no, man. Quickly, the more it's there, the more it's gross. Do it. Yes, you got it. So close. Oh.
Got it.
Oh, gross. Is it alive?
Still
alive.
It's
still alive. You would think with so much alcohol content that bug would have died, but it was still alive.
It's not fair. Kelby gets a meal with her taster. I don't. So now the guy inside was also saying he's like, oh, I love my job because I get to smell all the wines. I was thinking that must be the worst job in the world because you smell everything but you can't drink it.
Sure.
So maybe what's your feelings around that one, you know? Let us know in the comments. Do you love a job where you can smell booze or smell food or all these lovely things that, you know, the body would love to have, but you can't have it because that's your job?
I don't know. I think it will make you want to have a drink at the end of the day when you're done with work.
It might make you want to have a drink at 9 o'clock in the morning, so that's a problem. So
that is a problem.
Don't think so. Well, let's taste it though.
As Adam said, he doesn't really do wine, so this is...
Yeah, that's, no, I think I can drink it, but I think if I had to drink this, I'd be in bed very early.
Okay guys, so now we are going to go and get wine number 3. Feeling it a bit in my head. Okay, so wine number 3 is we're both going for Cabernet Sauvignon. Cap Guys, these wines are amazing.
I must say, considering I'm not a wine drinker, they are pretty good. And you know, I think what's awesome about this is having some wine at the oldest wine farm in South Africa. So
it's mind blowing and it's such an amazing experience.
Governor's Reserve, which is our flagship white wine. It's a blend of Sauvignon Blanc and Semillon. So it's wooded also for 10 months and 13% in alcohol. Okay.
Nice, thank you.
You're welcome.
hey, so we've just been told we've got 10 minutes, so we're going to have to smash this quickly and then grab our last one, and then I think we'll maybe chill with that one outside.
Cheers. Guys, this Merlot is so freaking amazing and so smooth.
What's it taste like?
Grapes.
I must say, considering I'm not a big wine drinker, I can see why this is actually the flagship white wine, because it's actually quite freaking good.
Really?
So good you just down it.
So for my first wine tasting, this has been very awesome but very rushed. We did a oopsie by coming so late, but we get to enjoy our last glass of flagship wine. Hey guys, so Christmas came early and I got a bottle of wine. So I got Constantia Wine. This was 158 Rand.
Really?
Yeah.
What's
Wow.
in?
Yeah. Because it's got like a chocolate blend and a coffee blend. I didn't want to tell you.
So I ain't gonna be having any of that because you know I hate coffee. Okay, so we're now having our last little bit of wine here. We've saved the best for last, which is the Governor's Reserve red wine, which is apparently the flagship red wine. This is the 2017. They do have a bottle of the 2016, which they wouldn't open for us. I think maybe because it's like nearly 2,000 in the bottle or something.
But it was also a 1.5 litre. He said it's too big to open.
Let's taste this out. Cheers everyone. I think it's nice. I think the staff could be friendlier.
Yeah.
You're not too sure where to go when you get here. So you go walking around a bit, and also they're not clear with the time. So we found out that where we decided to have our little tasting, which is at the top here, they close at 5. Last ticket sales at 4, but then the one that we first got here at, they close at 6. So a little bit of miscommunication maybe. They could be better with that.
Besides the guy that was serving the wine, everyone else didn't feel as friendly and welcoming. And I said to Adam, I don't know if this is because it's such a huge wine farm that the personal touch has gone a bit.
But just like also Kelby mentioned when we were chatting, maybe because it's a late Friday afternoon, everyone's had a long week, they just want to off home. Maybe that's the case. I think I would be like that, and when your job's sniffing wine all day, I want to off home and have a weekend. So I'm not going to blame him for maybe being a bit unfriendly on a Friday afternoon. So till the next one.
Thank you so much for watching.
One love.
I don't know if I can talk.
Okay, stop. Go for it.
Okay, so behind us is Constantia, the vineyard. No, that sounds so weird. So we are now at the wine tasting room, which we are gonna be at. I don't know.
So this one, to me, tastes similar like the other ones. I don't taste much different with wines.
But you had white before. Now you're having red. This is your first red one. So just so you know,
We're gonna.
okay guys, so we, let me not say it, okay guys, close. So we at, okay. Oh, how much money? Adam's showing me money. No. Oh, maybe. Ooh, good angle. Kelby's got the camera, this is dangerous. Especially when I've been drinking.
Yeah, that's fine.
I can't see my face. I literally can't, there's no face of Kelby.
There is. We'll come closer. Come to the side
Can't
of
you
me.
angle it?
No, but if I angle it like that, then you don't see the mountain. Need the wide angle lens.
Okay.
Okay. So, take 2. So, there is a lot more to see at this one at Groot Constantia. So until the next one.
Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.
No, I already said it till the next one.
Okay.
Okay.
What?
So till the next one.
Thank you so much for watching.
One love.
I didn't kiss.
Oh, we were just gonna cheers.
No.
We'll cheers. We'll one love
Okay.
this time with us.
Okay. So say it again.
So till the next one.
Thank you so much for watching.
I thought you say one love.
No, you say one love. You say until the next one. I say thanks for watching, and then you say one love. Okay. Okay.
Groot Constantia's got the best wine because it just makes us go fucking loopy.
Okay, just say
Okay.
it.
That's a wrap. That's a wrap, yo. We're here at Constantia. We tasted wine. We don't want ya, but we want you to subscribe to our channel. So come and join us for some more wine at Constantia. Yo.